Jai Hind everyone. So today we're going to start with our next chapter, that is 100 dresses part 1. Okay, as it is clear from the topic that this is about dresses, but what dresses? Let's study that. So the main character or the main protagonist of the story is Wanda Petronsky. Yeah, it's a weird name, but yes. Okay, who is Wanda Petronsky? Let's study that. She's a Polish immigrant. The girl who is immigrated from somewhere to America, जो अमेरिका के शिफ्ट हुई थी. And yes, in a classroom, students used to make fun of her. Why? Because this name Wanda Petronsky they found quite weird and uncommon in that place, क्योंकि वहाँ पर जो है लोगों के नाम जो थे that is very common, like John, Eliza, that is easy to pronounce, but this Wanda Petronsky, this is something that they cannot digest, and they used to make fun of her. Secondly, she is very quiet and always sit at the corner in the class. She don't talk a lot. She's a kind of introvert girl, and yes, she used to wear faded blue dress. Like she has only one dress that is very faded. That shows that she belongs to a poor family. Okay. Now, other than this Wanda Petronsky, there are two main characters, that is Peggy and Maddie. This Peggy and Maddie are the classmates. Let's study what the plot of the story is. Okay. Now, Wanda came to America with her family and attended the school with American children. ठीक है, वो अपनी फैमिली के साथ शिफ्ट हुई थी और एक अमेरिकन स्कूल में पढ़ रही थी. Those children who found her name strange and weird, as I said, कि उनके लिए उसका नाम काफ़ी weird और बहुत अजीब था. Now Peggy and Maddie दो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स थी. ठीक है, used to wait for Wanda before school to tease her. अच्छा, यहाँ पर वो क्या होता था, she always used to tease her that Wanda, how many dresses do you have, because she always saw her in the same one blue faded dress. That's why she used to like ask her the thing, and in answer Wanda always answered that yes, I have 100 dresses in my closet. मेरे पास बहुत सारी dresses हैं, 100 dresses हैं मेरे पास. Okay. And for that, like, they used to ask the same question to her in the morning. But Maddie is also a poor girl herself, did not like when Peggy made fun of Wanda. उसे खुद नहीं पसंद था, क्योंकि वो खुद एक पुअर गर्ल थी, मगर वो अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ हमेशा वहाँ पर खड़ी होती थी उसका मजाक बनाने के लिए. And but she don't like it by herself, and she feared that she could be the next. This is very important. उसे ये भी डर था कि जिस तरीके से उसकी फ्रेंड उसका मजाक, वांडा का मजाक उड़ा रही है, तो नेक्स्ट टारगेट शायद वो हो सकती है. एंड शी ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू स्टॉप हर, बट शी कैन नॉट समन द करेज टू से दैट टू हर. वो हमेशा चाहती थी कि वो अपनी दोस्त से बोले, मगर इतना जो करेज है कभी भी नहीं ला पाती थी ताकि वो अपनी फ्रेंड से वो बात कर सके. Now adding to this, Peggy's intention was never to hurt Wanda, but she was curious as to why Wanda had to lie that she had 100 dresses in her closet. अब यहाँ पर क्या है, ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि पैगी की जो इंटेंशन थी वो गलत नहीं थी. वो उसे हर्ट नहीं करना चाहती थी, इसलिए उसे टीज़ नहीं करती थी. इनफैक्ट शी वॉज क्यूरियस टू नो दैट वो हमेशा उसे झूठ क्यों बोलती है, क्योंकि वो हमेशा क्लासरूम में क्या पहन कर आती थी, द ओनली वन ब्लू फेडेड ड्रेस. बट स्टिल शी यूज टू लाई दैट शी हैज़ 100 dresses. So what that 100 dresses, like why she has to lie about those 100 dresses? Okay, the next is about this drawing competition, this incident about drawing competition where the truth was revealed. What the truth was? Okay, truth about the same 100 dresses unveiled मतलब जिसमें से पर्दा उठा. उस 100 dresses का जो सीक्रेट था वो क्या था? On the result day of the drawing competition, किस दिन drawing competition का जिस दिन result आया, कैसे? The room was lined up with 100 drawings portraying different dresses all lined up in the classroom. और पूरे classroom में वो 100 dresses लगी हुई थी वॉल पर, पूरी पोर्ट्रे कर रही थी वो ड्राइंग्स, एंड ईच ड्रेस इज डिफरेंट एंड ब्यूटिफुल एंड द सेम that she used to talk about. Like when they used to ask her that, okay, how your dress looks like, so she always tell that I have one green dress and one this dress with frills, with linings, all that. And yes, exactly those dresses were there in that portraits. Now seeing those dresses, this Peggy and Maddie is awestruck. पहले तो बहुत ज़्यादा क्या थे, हैरान हो गए थे to see those pictures. They were in amazed to see those pictures, but at the same time they felt guilty that they treated the girl badly. ठीक है, उस समय उन्हें ये भी लग रहा था कि वो दे शुड नॉट ट्रीट हर दैट वे, हाउ लाइक शी इज़ सो गुड एट हर ड्राइंग्स, एंड येस वन शुड नॉट मेक फन ऑफ लाइक समवन ऑफ देयर पॉवर्टी और समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो दे वर एक्चुअली गिल्टी. Okay, these are some more important points from the chapter. First is that she lives in Boggins Height. That is actually a muddy place, and that's why her shoes were also covered with mud. And this could be the reason that she always sit at the last in the class. And her place was actually muddy because of her shoes. Second is Peggy was not that mean girl as she was portrayed in the chapter, and you must be thinking the same for her. But she like could not see if anybody is ill treated, even if the animal or any student or her friend in the class. But she always used to mock at her, because the reason is Wanda used to say that yes, I'm having 100 dresses, but this is not truth. She know that very well, and she was sometime get curious and sometime get irritated that why she used to lie when she don't have those 100 dresses. And that too she always asked very politely to her. Secondly, Maddie always wanted to stop her and also decided to write a note for her, because she knew that she did not have guts to say it on her face. And yes, वो उसने क्या था, उसके इतने गट्स नहीं थे कि उसके वो फेस पे कह सके कि she don't like the way she treat her मतलब Wanda. And that's why she wanted to write a note. But when she was writing, she imagined the stuff that if she gave that note to her, what will happen. Actually the thing is, this Maddie was a poor girl, and she used to wear the past clothes, and those past clothes were actually of this Peggy के जो क्लोथ्स होते थे वो उसकी जो है मदर उनको क्या है विद न्यू लेसेस एंड फ्रिल्स के साथ लगाकर उसे देती थी, और वही जो मैडी है वही पास्ट क्लोथ्स को पहना करती थी. तो उसे लगा कि इफ़ शी विल से सो देन शी विल बी हर नेक्स्ट टारगेट, एंड दैट शी डोंट वांट टू. ठीक है, अगर वो उसका नेक्स्ट टारगेट हो जाएगी, इसलिए उसने अपने फ्रेंड को कुछ नहीं कहा, एंड शी केप्ट क्वाइट ऑल द टाइम. Okay, Miss Mason was the teacher that announced the name of the winners in the drawing competition, and in the boys, Jack Bagels got the first prize, and in girls, obviously, who got the first prize? Wanda Petronsky. But she was absent from the school from some days. Nobody knew the reason that why she's not coming, but everyone in the class except boys, girls were amazed. The teacher was so happy, and they were, praising her pictures. They were like whistling and applauding for the girl, but yes, she was not there to receive those appreciations. Now what these two girls will do, that we will study in part 2, what they gonna do to make Wanda her friend. So this is the story, and still if you have any doubts you can ask me, firstly I want you to read the chapter. Like this will increase your communication and and interest in this language. Please go through the chapter, go through the story, and if you actually face any problem, do ask me. Secondly, the theme is actually bullying. आजकल जो आप देख रहे होंगे bullies जो होती है, this is the theme that वो कहना क्या चाह रहा है, that this is something wrong, this is going in the society. One should not judge a person like according to her appearance, and we actually don't have any right to make fun of anyone. So this is what the message that the writer want to give, that one should be sincere towards their action, and think before what they do, what like how they react. And I hope you will also get the lesson. Thank you.